Hello everyone, welcome back to the live trading today. Hi Asakun. Okay, so we will wait for a few minutes to let everyone join in. And as I promised with you, today we will have the first lesson. Okay, we're trading for a whole week. So today and Friday, on Friday noon, according to France time, we will have 1 hour to learn about the forex and gold market together. Okay. I will wait for more friends to join in before I started today's lesson. But first, let's interact. Interact in the beginning of the live stream today. Hi Zaid, how is your trading results recently? You can see that gold is having a bearish reversal when it's touching to the current peak, 43.77. This is the highest level in the history of gold, and this is also another all-time high. All-time high. And you can see that it's forming a double top patterns on the chart, right? Double top pattern. So let me check in the daily time frame. You see that it's already far away from below EMA, and in the RSI, it's also belong at the overbought area. Very far away from 70 area. Now it's up to 85. I believe that this retracement can be a good price for everyone to set any position to hold for buy signal in the long term. But actually that we need to wait for the stable, and you see that in the RSI, according to RSI indicators, is still at the overbought area at 85, nearly 86 already. It's good go down, and currently you see that in the daily time frame is forming a lower wick. Yes, so that is the meaning. Let me check the level that is gonna be happened for support. $42, 42.74. So this is called the liquidity hunting from the big players, like shark or institution. You see that in the 1 hour chart, and this candle is forming a very long lower wicks. And now it's heading down to 43.00 level, and it's matching with the below EMA 34 area down here. So in today's New York session, we were heading to the profitable direction of the market. Okay, and today is another lucky day in my VAB signal group, that if you observe the signal closely, you will easily recognize that every scalping signal is always bring the profit to you. Hi Mohammed, hi Baskan. So recently we need to trade gold very carefully, especially when it's starting the retracement. Never catch the falling knife and revert to the market. If it's beyond your stop loss level, cut it, and we will do it again. Be disciplined, okay? Be disciplined to every decisions you enter the trade. So it's still heading down strongly, and I believe that for 4300 level is will hit it soon. Yeah, hit soon. Goal need to adjust. Need to be adjusted before heading to the current direction. Okay, so are you ready for today's lesson? Let's comment yes. So let me know that you are ready and I will start it immediately. Come on, let's comment yes. So let me know. So today we will focus on the lesson. And for trading, it's happened every day, except weekend, right? Because we're trading for the Forex and gold market only, so the market is closed at weekend. So spending 1 hour to study about the market is very necessary for you, especially the beginners. And today, of course, is a free course. I didn't charge you any fee. And I believe that this is the useful information for every trader, especially beginner. Okay, so as I can see on the chat box, it's just only 2% ready. Trading week was laugh out loud. Yeah, so it's gonna be depends to the market situations, and trading is a probability. So just enter enough trading signal. I will make sure that you will improve your trading result. Okay, so now anyone ready? Anyone else ready? So let me know to start today's lesson. Yeah, it's not take too much your time to study in today live stream. I prepare it as the easiest knowledge for everyone to understand. Let's go. Okay. Hi, I'm Forex. Hi, Mata. Okay, so are you ready for today's lesson? Yeah, let's wait for more comments. I need your interaction. Yeah, to help my live stream reach to many people, reaching to many traders. Yeah, I still cough a bit, but I believe that I'm still recovering. Anyway, I always try to share the knowledge and trading scalping signal with everyone. It's not a matter at all. I still having medicine to treat my ill. Thank you so much for your asking. Thank you. Oh, a lot of horses flying. Wow, today there's a lot of interaction. Okay, so remember to subscribe my YouTube channel and like for today's live stream. So that is gonna be my motivation to develop the quality of the scalping signal and the trading courses. I'm gonna bring it to all of you. 1 hour ago, I just had a private live stream with my VIP members about the pattern. How to set up the entry zone by using the candlestick pattern. And yeah, like as I promised to you, every traders on my YouTube channel, we will start to find out find out the first session. This is the basic knowledge that every scalping, every trader you need to understand. Okay, so let me change into another color to make it more highlight. Discovering the Forex and gold market, a new path for your finance. So everyone, welcome to the first lesson of Nova Scalper. And are you looking for a new path to grow your wealth or simply want to better understand the dynamic of world of finance? So you come to the right place. And today we will explore a massive market full of potential yet not without its challenges, the Forex and gold market. And I will share everything from A to Z, from basic concepts to why I choose this path, and most importantly, why I'm here to guide you. Okay, so let's get started for the first meaning about what is the Forex and gold market. Okay, so in today's lesson, we will find out our first question about the meaning of the Forex and the gold market. And you know that the Forex is the short word for foreign exchange market. And this is the largest financial market in the world where currencies are exchanged. Imagine it's at a global currency market operating 24/5. When you travel and exchange your currency into USD or other currency, you're participating in a small forex transaction. And in trading, we trade currency pairs like Euro USD, GBP, JPY, right, and other currency pairs. So that is the meaning for the Forex market. You just remember the foreign exchange and you trade for currency pairs. Okay. And for the speed of the Forex currency pair will be slower a bit for the market we're about to understand now. And the next market I want to introduce to you is a very common market that everyone knows it already. That is the gold market. Okay, gold USD. Gold has always been a special asset. Consider the king metal, or an inflation hedge. If USD is a king currency and gold is a king metal. Okay, and in trading, we often trade gold as gold USD, meaning gold's price is denominated in US dollar, and gold had high liquidity and strong volatility, attracting many traders like you and me. Alright, so that is a bit different about the two markets, but generally they are operating 24/5 and close at the weekend. And for the speed of gold market, it will be faster, with high liquidity and strong volatility. And for the Forex market, there are also the major currency pairs, like I just listed for you, Euro USD and JPY, and the currency relating to GBP, JPY. Okay, so I will show the theory for you to write down if you wish. Okay, it's a bit to adjust. Okay, so this is a very common and with high volatility trading currency pairs, Euro USD, JPY, JPY, and other currency pairs. So anyone tell me your favorite currency pairs? Okay, so I'm looking forward to receive your response about your favorite currency pairs that you love to trade. The market is too much volatility. Gold USD is just about the gold market is not a currency pair, my dear. Yeah, now I'm asking you about your favorite currency pair that you're currently trading at the moment. And gold market, I believe that is the favorite market for everyone, including you and me. And that's why most of the signal I provide for you on YouTube live stream is gold, right? Gold USD signal. Okay, so you're continue to respond about gold USD. So how about the forex currency pair? Do you love to trade other currency pair like Euro USD? Hi Abu, thank you so much for joining in today's lesson. And now I'm asking you about your favorite forex currency pair. Yeah. Hi Wheatland. Why you keep on calling me mom? Yeah, I'm not such as old. Okay, so no one like to trade currency pair. Yeah, I only see your question, your response about gold USD. All right, Martha, you love trading GBP JPY. Yeah, I see. So this is also another currency pairs that bring a lot of profit, especially in the VB forex signal group. Yeah, platinum, forex platinum that I posted the signal every day on that signal on that group, private group. Okay, JBP USD, JBP JPY. Yeah, and it's a bit easier to observe the point, right? For Euro USD, you will see that there's a lot of decimals after the point, and sometimes it costs you the how to say complex, yeah, complicated and difficult for you to calculating profit and loss. But if you're using the MT5 trading platform at the moment, it's automatically do the math. Yeah, do the math and calculate you the loss and profit. You're just scrolling the line. That's moving your stop loss and take profit, and then it will appear the loss or profit you will take on your trading platforms or your trading chart. Yeah, okay, so thank you so much for your response for my first question. Yeah, I would like to receive more interaction with you from you when I share the knowledge in today's session, okay, to make it more noisy, and I know that you follow me closely. And in summary, both the markets are places where you can profit from the price fluctuation of the currencies and gold. And our mission is identify and do the analysis for the correct direction. Okay, and now let's move to the second question of today's lesson. Why choose this market for investment? Okay, so first I would like to hear your answer for this question. Why do you choose this market for investment? Do you receive the invitations from your friends, or you see from other people, other traders, famous on social media or YouTube? Okay, so I would like to hear your question. Hear your answer about this question. Why do you choose this market for investment? So let me see that we have the same opinion for this question or not. Okay, so I will wait for a few minutes to let you type your answer. Come on, I'm waiting for you. Yeah, just type what you think. Whenever, whatever respond, just just type what you think. Why did you choose this market? This market, I mean forex and gold. Yeah, forex and gold. So I could change into these. Yeah, these markets. Seen people making thousands of money. Okay, so I have the same opinion like you when I just became a beginner from this trade, from this trading journey. And we all have same purpose, right? Making money from this market. Yeah, cause it's profitable that other pairs. I see. So I understanding now that you're talking about the gold market, right? And in fact, there's a lot of people get rich from this market, right? But do not believe all. Okay, so now I will explain to you the reason why most of the investors choose this market, a forex and gold market, to invest. Okay, so the first reason we will talking about is highest liquidity in the world. More than stocks, more than crypto. This is the highest liquidity market in the world, with trillions of dollars traded daily. Trillions of dollars traded daily. You can enter and exit trades easily and quickly without worrying about a lack of buyers or sellers. And this is extremely important for scalpers. And most of the scalpers, they decided to enter quickly, quick in and quick out. Okay, and because this market allows you to sell or buy immediately after you gain the assets. And this is why it is the highest liquidity in the world. And because everyone can trade immediately, they own the asset. Yeah, like currency pairs or gold. And the second reason is 24/5 operation. It's not an office work. We usually work around 6 to 8 hours for a day, right? If you're an officer. But for forex and gold market, it is 24/5 operation, and it never sleeps. And it contains 4 major sessions, right? 24 hours a day, and the market never sleeps. Open from Monday morning to Friday evening, and this offers maximum flexibility, and you can trade whenever you are free, fitting any schedule. And if you're full-time traders or part-time traders, anytime you can trade from Monday to Friday. Yeah, so this is very flexibility. It's very flexible for everyone, for every investor. And the third reason is we were talking to profit opportunities in both directions, right? In both directions. This is the difference between stocks. You know that you can only have profit for stocks when the stock increase the price. So it just only do the trade for one direction, and you have to wait for a long time for stock to increase its value. But for gold and for forex market, you can do the intersection for both directions. Okay, so whether the market is rising or falling, you can profit by going long or short or buy or sell, right? And this differs from many traditional investments, can only benefit when the market is trending upward. So this is another advantage, for this market, right? We can sell, we can buy, just predict the good direction of the market. Unlike gold or trading spot crypto, right? So this is also an attractive reason for everyone, that they can be flexible to make money in both directions. And I believe that you and me is like for this point, this specific other market. And lastly, the last reason we need to talking about is financial leverage. Yeah, indeed. Okay, so imagine this. You want to set up your small business like a coffee shop or a fashion shop, right? You need to borrow money from your bank, and you need to buy goods and products for stocks and show it, display it at your store. Okay, and you have to hire workers or part-time employers to operate your business. And for the forex and gold market, there is also a bank that allows you to borrow the capital, and the bank here is your broker. Okay, and we usually call they are financial leverage, and this will allows you to trade with significantly more capital than you actually possess. However, this is the double-edged sword, and we will learn how to use it intelligently and responsibility. Okay, because this is very dangerous if you are overused for the leverage. Remember this point. Leverage is good only when you follow the correct direction of the market, and you have the good entry zone. It will help you many times your trading account, and from one trade. You say that is also the reason why that some people get rich by using the financial leverage to trade. But the probability, the rate is not more than 5%. Actually, it's not more than 5%. And especially beginners, if you overuse the leverage, because it's very easy for you to choose the percentage of the leverage in the beginning. You open the trading account with your broker. Okay, remember the action. Okay, remember the actions when you open the real trading account with your trading broker. There will be a box, and you have to enter the leverage level, the leverage rate you want to maximize your capital. And normally you will choose 1 to 100, or some broker allows you to 1 to 1000. You mean that your capital is just $1,000, but by using leverage, that allows you to trade as the capital 10,000. Yeah, $10,000, or maybe sometimes it's up to 100,000. So it's very easily for you to register for the leverage, right? But it's never be good to be overuse the leverage, especially you are beginner and you are so greedy for this market, because this is the double-edged sword, and the market never move in the identified direction, in the specified direction. It's only move up and down and have the price range movement. So my advice for you, Choose the appropriate leverage when you trade, and especially when you decide to enter any layers that in your trading platform. Choose the appropriate trading volume and do not overuse the leverage. Okay, and the key point I always share with you when we start trading is about the discipline. Okay, it's about the discipline. Okay, and actually that financial leverage is a good point that help you to increase your trading capital. But for me, use it at the appropriate level. Okay, and do not overuse this. Okay, so this is the 4 reason why we choose these markets for investment. Okay, so now I'll come back to read your comment. Choose the markets, yes, and talk more on Fibonacci retracement tool. Okay, so I will take note for this requirement and I will share with you in the near future. Okay, because I already composed for the program that I share for you. Yeah, that I share this lesson on the YouTube. Okay, and relating to the Fibonacci retracement, I will share with you in the near future. Okay, we need to follow the program I already set up. Okay, thank you so much for your understanding. Filipino accents. Yeah, I'm a half Asian. Okay, so thank you so much for your understanding. Half Asian girl, so it's easily for you to misunderstanding that I'm Filipino. So I will share with you a bit about my story, my personal story for for the reason why I entered this market. I came to trading not because I wanted to get rich quick, even though they are one of the reasons in the beginning of my trading journey become. But out for the curiosity and desire for financial freedom. They are my bigger target. And like many of you here, I also went through difficult times, losing money due to a lack of knowledge and discipline. And I once thought tradings were gambling, but then I realized that trading is a truly price action business requiring serious study. Yeah, serious study, patience, and iron discipline. Yeah, for this matter, it's not easy at all, right? It requires iron discipline. And I've spent thousands of hours researching, practicing, backtesting, and learning from my own mistakes. And this path hasn't been easy, as it changed my life. And from someone without clear financial direction, now I found a way to control my future. And that's why I want to share this story with you. Okay, so I usually share with you about the past that I entered this market. It used to be severe in the beginning, you know. There is some accounts. Yeah, there's some accounts that is washed away because of my greed. Yeah, because of my greed, and I wasn't disciplined in the beginning. I used the maximum financial leverage and just one trade. My first account was washed away just after a trade. You know that the markets never move in one direction in the beginning. It's moved up and down, and for that time, it's moved down significantly and it's washed out because I trade with a big volume. I was greedy naturally. So this is the common mistake that every trader, especially beginners, easily to get it. Yeah, if we don't control our greed and our discipline, it's easily become a shark bait, and our money is washed away. Yeah, so that's why I study. I don't trade with the revenge mindset anymore. I study, I studied and practice to set up the technical analysis combined with fundamental analysis. So after times 2 times, that now it's already 8 year. It's already 8 year for me. From the day I joined in this market, I became a gold trader, forex trader. There's a lot of severe experience I've been through, and now I don't want my friends, especially the friends knowing my YouTube channel and my Telegram community, to join in and stay away. Yeah, stay away from the severe experience I have been through. And so why I decided to create this course, why I'm here, why I spend my time to set up the course like today, because there are some major reasons. The first thing, that I received many messages and questions from you. Yeah, you send me a direct message on Telegram channel and request me, Golden Girl, can you set up a basic knowledge, basic lesson for the market? I want to understand more about the meaning and how it's work. And there's a lot of friends sending this message to me, and that's why I prepare my time and why we here today for this lesson. Okay, and I just want to help you who are also struggling to find a way in trading. Yeah, and many of you asked me to guide you, to share what I have learned. And I understand that learning to trade alone can be very lonely and discouraging. And therefore, this course was created with a single purpose: to build a community, a clear roadmap to help you shorten your learning curve and avoid mistakes I once made. Okay? And I want to share the knowledge, experience, and especially the right mindset, so you can build a solid foundation, trading confidently and sustainably. And this isn't just a course. This is a journey we'll take together. Okay, this is a journey we take together. And the most important thing I need to repeat, that only discipline will lead you to the successful trading. Okay, and you need a fellow if you are beginner to this market, a fellow to instruct you about the basic knowledge and how to set up the signal, how to enter the trade, how you trade efficiently, and how to manage your risk management. Okay, so I will be your fellow to help you to do all of these tasks, especially setting the qualified scalping signal. That my VAB signal groups, they always welcome everyone to join in to trade according to my scalping signal and increase your trading profit every single day. Okay, yeah, so that is the main reason that we're here today. And today is just a first lesson, so I just want to, everything is simple and easy for you to understand. And the next lesson, we will getting deep for the detailed information of the market, how to calculate the profit and loss. Yeah, I believe that until now, there's a lot of friends that they do not know how to calculate the loss, and they don't know what's the pips. They don't know what's the point. So let me help you to figure it out. Okay? Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much, Martha, for your compliment. I'm very happy to read this comment. Okay, so Asikun, what do you mean for YouTube? Do you want me to do the analysis for the JPB, JPY for you? Isn't it? And today, yeah, that's it. Just the two major information I want to share with you, and I just want to share with you my own story, yeah, to inspire you for this market journey, to this trading journey, to do it correctly. Okay, and just be a traditional investor, traditional scalpers. Okay, and try to avoid trading, copy trading. Try to avoid this and manage your capital by yourself. Do not let anyone to do it. Okay, and this is very important for everyone to study and learn for the technical analysis and fundamental analysis. And the last thing, you need to control your trading psychology as well. Now, this is the game of the number and psychology. When you observe your trading platforms, money running statically and change the color from green, blue to red instantly in a short time, it will cause your mind the pressure. Yeah, the pressure. And for anyone that they cannot burden, they cannot take control for the quick action. And the quick scenarios that happen on your trading account, especially your money, is very terribly to trade, especially that for anyone that trade with the high volatility, high leverage with big trading volume. And yeah, so I just want to share with you my story and the first basic information for the definition for forex and gold market in the beginning of today's lesson. Okay, and next time, the Friday as well, together we will dive into the second lesson about pips, loss, and other definition for relating to the gold and forex market. Okay, so that's it. So anyone have the question, I will come back to read your comment on your chat box. Do all and write a free PDF for download. You can watch my video again if you wish to remember, but I believe that in today's lessons it's just a basic knowledge and do not need to have the PDF data for your download. You can watch this and remember easily because they are just basic knowledge, and I already compare as the simplest data for everyone to understand and remember. Do you trade in prop firm funded accounts? Actually, the prop firm account I do not manage for it. Now I just manage for my own account only. Yeah, thank you so much for your concern. Okay, Alex, thank you so much, and you can watch it again if you missed today's lessons in the beginning. Yeah, it's just a first lesson actually, so everything is still simple. Yeah, it is. Okay, so I'm very happy that today I'm here and talking with you about the knowledge. Sharing is my experience and sharing my story for everyone understand for the severe of this market. It's not easy at all. The key point is just manage your trading psychology and another thing is discipline. Okay, so anything that's important, I usually repeat many times, and you can easily remember when we start training real time together. Yeah, and today, I understand that you already do the hard work. Yeah, do the hard working for nearly a month, for nearly a week. So just relax. Okay, just relax. And if you want to trading by using my signal, there will be the gold trading plan. Yeah, that I've uploaded on my Telegram community. I public every day. And on Sunday, I usually prepare for the weekly trading plan, so you can see it and have your self analysis and another reference. Yeah, another reference for your technical analysis for the gold market. Okay. And that's it. That's just our first lesson. Very simple. Just this is just a starting. Okay. This is still a long journey. I believe so. And there are nearly about 10 minutes that I will off my live stream today. So anyone, do you have the question to ask me today? About 10 minutes. Yeah, I will answer for your question. So you can see that gold market had just recovered from the level of nearly, let me check the price. It jumped down to 42.83. So in today's New York sessions, the market is moving with high volatility. Yeah, in the 1 hour candle, you see that the body of the candle is very large, and the green candle appears immediately. A powerful bearish candle reached to 42.84 level. Yeah, 42.84 level. But anyway, in the daily time frame, according to the RSI, gold still belong to the overbought area. Yeah, overbought area. You see that? So it's not good price. It's not good price for you to enter a trade and hold it for long position. Now I just recommend you to follow the scalping trading. Yeah, scalping trading is better for you. Okay, so this is my brief analysis for the gold market, and now gold is recovered steadily. Yeah, from 42.84, and it's easily happen for the market sweep, liquidity sweep. If you find it risky to trade in the Friday New York session, you can take a rest soon. Yeah, and come back to Monday on the Asian session. So this can be considered for a gold price. 43.78 to 42.87. Nearly 50 price. Yeah, nearly 50 price, and it can consider a large range of gold movement. Now price heading up, and you see that RSI level is heading to 50 level already. Nine green wicks in a row. Indeed, because gold easily getting FOMO, especially in the situation that U.S. government is shut down and other geopolitical events tensions increasing every day. Recently that there is a news relating to Palestine and Gaza, that peace come back to Gaza for nearly two years, and and combined with the gold is already in the overbought area, so it really need the retracement, the adjustment in the short term before it continues to the current direction. You see that nothing can go up forever. If you see it 9 green in a row, it's already been FOMO too much. Okay, so it's very dangerous for us to chase with the price. Yeah, and that's why we need technical analysis combined with fundamental analysis as well. Tell us more about Asian session and why gold is steady. Asian session, you know that it's also a major session that can help you to increase the profit when you trade, and the speed of gold sometimes is slower than New York session, because that time the traders, the investor in US, okay, in US or American, is sleeping, they are resting, and they are just have the citizen investors from Asian country only, so the volatility is kind of small. It's smaller than in the New York session for liquidity. So but sometimes manipulations is gonna be happened, especially on the Monday Asian session. Market always have the gap, and we don't know that it's gonna be a gap up or down, and how far, how big is the gap. Okay, and in my experience, that we need to wait for the market opens after 8 hours, from Monday, when the market open. Okay, and that time, as that is the morning in Asian countries, yeah, after 8 a.m. in the Asian countries, and the market is more reliable and stable for you. But for every trade, every session you are in, always remember to set the stop loss order. Okay, for every trade, every layer you are in, every session. Sometimes that you cannot imagine what's gonna be happened in an Asian session. Manipulations can happen anytime. It cannot be forecasted. So as the trader, we need to reduce the risk at the highest level by setting the stop loss. Okay, by setting the stop loss level. For the buy signal, previously that in a London session you still gain the profit even though the market's dropping drastically, but in a smaller time frame you will see the recover of the market, and from that point we will gain the profit anyway, and there will be another confirmation of the market, but it is the market trap from the bullish trap, the bullish trap. So we cannot avoid the trap, and that's why I always encourage you to set the stop loss order, because trading is probability. and I managed for the recover of the market, but the price is drop. The market was drop us, and no worry that we will find another recover signals in the New York session. How long should we wait after the gap to place a trade in Asia session? I usually set up the scalping signal around 4 a.m. according to France time, and that time that is approximately to 9 a.m. according to Bangkok time. Yeah, so I do not open the trade so early. And the market is usually opened at midnight. Yeah, midnight on Monday, around 1 a.m. 1 a.m. in Bangkok time, according to Bangkok time. So that time the markets usually open a gap, and if when you see the markets have a gap, especially in the New York session, in the how to say, in the Asian session, you know that time the market is manipulated, and you need to wait for the stable. Okay, you need to wait for the stable. And for my mission, I usually observe the chart more than 13 hours a day. And if you trust me, you can count on my signal that I posted the VAB signal group, and it will help you to have another improved trading signal. Okay, trading result. And it's gonna be depends to the market situations. Sometimes that one signal that I gain more than 200 pips, or maybe up to 500 pips, that's normal. But for the day that the market is challenging and continues to forming the trap, so it's hit my stop loss actually, and for me that is normal, because in the beginning I set up the mindset that trading is probability, and not everyone can guarantee 100% of winning rate. Indeed. So I already practiced for this mindset, and for me it's simple. Yeah. And after that, the opportunity to recover is still available. Okay, and don't force yourself that every day you have to make money. It's very, very dangerous for your trading psychology. Okay, set your profit level as week or month is the best option. Okay, and every day you set your loss limitation. That's when in the bad case that you hit your stop loss limitation, just relax, and tomorrow do it again. Okay, so is it clear for you from after I explain for your question? Okay, so now it's about time, and I need to focus back on my VIP signal. And once again, thank you so much for your participation for today's live stream. And don't forget to subscribe me on YouTube and like for this today live stream video. Thank you, and see you again for the next week with the more profit and qualified scalping signal is waiting for you. Thank you and goodbye.